Hello everyone, and I hope you are having an amazing day. Okay, so today in this video I will teach you how you can remove Microsoft Edge completely from your Windows 10. So basically, Microsoft likes to put the bloatware in your PC with every single update. So whenever it comes back, if you wanna remove it, just head down into the link toward the link in the description and download the zip file that is in there. So after you have downloaded that zip file, just open that by extracting it. Then you will have this batch file, Windows batch file. Let's see what the batch file says. Okay, so this script was made by Dave Kirkwood. All of the credits go to him for it. So for this is basically all where the main process happens. It deletes the directories of the things, that modifies the registry. Basically this doesn't work anymore because of the Windows updates that they keep adding Edge back again and again. I deleted it once before, but it came back again, so I'm making a video to delete it to help you guys as well. So this part that modifies the registry, this part just kills the directories, basically deletes the directories and everything inside them. Then this removes the shortcuts wherever those are, and then it's all done. Okay, so this is basically takes the ownership, and to remove a directory like needs a administrator like command like things permissions. It takes this by from this command. That basically just if this happens, it doesn't like let us do the let it do the delete kill directories. It will take the administrator powers and then delete it, else it wouldn't delete that. So let's run the command and let me show you its magic. So as you can see, removing Edge, removing directory, it doesn't exist because I think it's been deleted before, but these ones are back. As you can see, Edge, Microsoft Edge back, Edge update back, core back, and WebView is back. And then modifying registry, editing registry, and all that. So the shortcut doesn't exist. I have deleted it once before, as like I said. Now it's been done. Let me press enter. Now if we go into the settings, let me open settings, apps, and if we go down here, as you can see, they are basically just kind of grayed out. They are presented as this thing, which basically means it doesn't exist anymore. If any like file that you delete and like you have a shortcut of it or anything like that, it will show up like this in the apps. And the Edge update is also deleted, and Edge WebView 2 is also deleted. So one thing I would like to say, that after every update the Edge comes back, because I recently like updated Windows to the latest version, and then the Edge came back again. So make sure to just keep this, and whenever a Windows update comes, go to the apps, check whether Edge is back or not. If it's back, delete it, and then just enjoy Edge free Windows. So if you if you like don't want to remove Edge and you want some of the features like Edge, the web view sometimes is needed in few things, you can basically go onto the internet and just search this, and you'll get the web view from the Microsoft's own website. So this is a short video that I wanted to do to help you guys remove Edge from your computer. It's easy, it's simple, and this is how you remove Edge from Windows 10. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helped.